Hey guys, this is a Jailbreak reviewer out with another exciting video. This video is really spontaneous. It just came up. The new iOS 8 and 8.1 Untethered Jailbreak for all devices, including the iPhone 6 and the iPhone 6 Plus, and the new iPads. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. And you'll need two applications, which I have right here, Pangu and WinSCP. This is the SSH or SFTP client that I use on Windows. And then you'll need two files that I'll have down below that will SSH after the jailbreak. One downfall is that a lot of tweaks do not work on iOS 8, but the SARC has updated the Cydia mobile substrate to work on iOS 8. So let's go ahead and get into this. First, we're going to go ahead and plug in our device. I have iPhone 6, and I'll show you that's running iOS 8.1. There you go. So we're going to plug it in right here. And first, what I did, one second, iTunes is going to pop up. You can just exit out of that. What you need to do is you need to go to iCloud and then just turn off your iCloud because it will interfere when you are jailbreaking. Let me turn my brightness down a little bit so you can see. Alright, so we're going to open Pangu, and I do advise you, or not advise, but help tell you that it is good to run this as an administrator. So let me go back and alright, now that after you have iCloud turned off, just go to Pangu and run it as an administrator to where you'll have no problems during the jailbreak process. Alright, this is all in random characters, but it does recognize your phone and name. And then I do recommend unchecking that because it will download something that you really don't need. That's only for developers. So all we have to do is press this blue button and wait. Alright, now iTunes has come up. You can just close out of iTunes. It shouldn't affect it. Now it says slide to upgrade. Just wait for a little bit and the screen will go away. I'll just close out of iTunes again. No, you don't have to go through this setup process again. Let me load through all this. There, your phone's open, and there you go. Now you see Pangu, and we'll go ahead and jump on to the next portion of this video. Okay, now you're gonna want to go into Pangu. Then you have all these options. There's really nothing under Cydia, but what you need in here is Open SSH. So you can go ahead and click on that. And the top right says install. Click on that and it'll install a couple things, and just click done. If a message that comes up like your storage is almost full, no need to worry about that. So mine's already installed, so let's go ahead and get to the next step. Now that after you have OpenSSH installed, you're going to want to run your SFTP client. Mine is 1SCP, so I'm going to go ahead and open that up. And now on your iPhone, or whatever iDevice you are using, you're going to want to go into Settings, Wi-Fi, and click the I. And then you're going to want to type in your IP address exactly how it is into the host name. Make sure you have file protocol as SFTP, port number 22, that's default. And your username is root, and the password will be Alpine, so we're going to log in. It's going to ask us for our password, so I'm going to go ahead and enter Alpine. It always is Alpine. I'll just click remember password for this session. Okay, now we're in. First you want to make sure you are at private var root. If you're in root, you'll see application support, library, media, and if you have some more 3 files that you don't really need for this video. But what you're going to want to do now is you're going to want to import those 2 files. These 2 I had you download earlier, so they're my desktop, and you can select them both. And what you want to do is just drag them into this area over here. I'll load them and transfer them, and that is it for WinSCP. Now you, if you're on CyberDuck, you can just open a terminal. I click this little black box up here that says Open Terminal. Just click OK. And enter command. You're going to want to copy and paste this command I have down below. So go ahead and copy this paste into the box, and I'll get back to you. Now, after you've copied and pasted that command, you're going to go ahead and click Enter for execute. It's going to run all these things. Then if you get like an error message, that's fine. Don't worry about that. So just kind of sit here for a couple seconds, let everything load, let everything finish, and I'll come back. Wait and let everything load, and not worried about anything missing. Almost every time it's going to say missing. You can delete that command you typed in and go ahead and type in reboot. You can do this physically, but this is just a quicker way, and just click enter and execute. And then your iPhone will reboot, and you can close out of WinSCP. So we're going to go ahead and wait for our iPhone to reboot. Alright, our iPhone has rebooted, and there you go. You have Cydia. You're going to open this up. It is going to prepare the file system. Now this does take a long time because the mobile substrate is slow and is not, I mean it works properly, but it's not, it's till its full functionality. And after this is done loading and it reboots and everything, you're going to want to go in and search for Cydia mobile substrate and go ahead and download that or update it. And then you should be on your way to installing some new iOS 8 tweaks. I want to thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, drop them down below in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, if it helped you at all, just go ahead and click that green like button. And also don't forget to subscribe. It helps me out in a bunch of ways. Thank you guys, and have a wonderful day.